Welcome to viewers. It's me, Bersabet Taghla, from the capital Asmara. And this is ERi-TV bringing you the latest news from around the world. These are the ones making the top stories for today. Messages of congratulations. Program depicting heroic feats of Eritrean women in the central region. France, Britain and Canada urge Israel to hold the Gaza offensive. And the EU approves a 17th sanction package against Russia. And your domestic reports. Leaders of the Republic of France, the Republic of Austria and the Republic of Korea have sent messages of congratulations to the people and government of Eritrea on the occasion of the 34th Independence Day anniversary. President Emmanuel Macron of the Republic of France, Federal President Alexander Van der Bellen of the Republic of Austria, and Mr. Lee Joo-ho, Acting President of the Republic of Korea, conveyed their best wishes for good health to President Isaias Afwerki, as well as peace and prosperity to the Eritrean people. The leaders also expressed their country's readiness to further develop and strengthen bilateral relations for the mutual benefit of their nations and Eritrea. In other news, the National Union of Eritrean Women organized a program today showcasing the heroic feats demonstrated by Eritrean women during the struggle for national independence and safeguarding national sovereignty and in the country's development drives. At the event, which was attended by senior government and PFDG officials, Ms. Zaid Masfoun, coordinator of the program, stated that the National Union of Eritrean Women has been working to realize the sustainable development of Eritrean women in all sectors, and that encouraging results have so far been achieved. The event featured programs highlighting the union's achievements over the past 10 years, along with a documentary film portraying the heroic contributions of Eritrean women. In the same vein, a product exhibition organized by the Tinsae Women Artists Association in the Central Region opened on 19 May in front of the Ministry of Education in Asmara. The exhibition, which includes various artifacts, will remain open until 25 May. The Tinsae Women Artists Association was established in 2012 under the auspices of the National Union of Eritrean Women. Coming to the Ansaba region, Schools Independence Week in the region, which began on 13 May under the theme Students and Independence, has concluded colorfully. The program was held in connection with the 34th Independence Day anniversary. The closing ceremony, held in the city of Keren, featured cultural performances portraying the sacrifices paid for independence and the significance of the national flag and sovereignty. Mr. Kiflay Mikael, head of the Regional Education Office, stated that the objective of Schools Week was to instill national values in students, enhance their understanding of the heavy sacrifices made for independence and sovereignty, and deepen their sense of history and identity. Highlighting that this is the third time Schools Week has been organized at the current subzone level, Mr. Yosef Obasilase, head of the Education Office in the subzone, commended all participants and contributors for making the event a success. The viewers will be back shortly with their international reports and more. Stay tuned. Yesterday, May 19, leaders of France, Britain and Canada voiced a strong opposition to the expansion of Israel's military operations in Gaza, calling for an immediate cessation of hostilities and unimpeded humanitarian access. The level of human suffering in Gaza is intolerable, the leaders said, warning that blocking essential humanitarian assistance to the civilian population is unacceptable and may constitute a violation of international humanitarian law. The statement also condemned what it described as repulsive language recently used by Israeli government officials, including threats of Gaza's destruction. While reaffirming Israel's right to defend its citizens against terrorism, the three leaders stressed they could not remain passive in the face of what they called egregious actions by the Netanyahu government. France, Britain and Canada also reiterated their commitment to recognizing a Palestinian state as a stage towards achieving a two-state solution. On today's final report, according to European Union's foreign policy chief Kaja Kallas, the EU approved today, Tuesday, May 20, its 17th sanction package against Russia, targeting nearly 200 shadow fleet ships. As per reports, the bloc is working on more sanctions against Russia. However, there were no comments available from Russia regarding these sanctions. Now a quick reminder of the top stories. Messages of congratulations. Program depicting heroic feats of Eritrean women in the central region. France, Britain and Canada urge Israel to hold the Gaza offensive. And EU approves a 17th sanction package against Russia. Dear viewers, you are watching ERi-TV English news broadcast. That was it for today. We thank you for watching.